Hey everyone, welcome to my editing PC tour. Let's dive right in. First up, here's the full view of my editing powerhouse. The heart of my setup is the sleek custom built PC. It's housed in a NHX H510 case. Inside, we have the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, perfect for handling heavy editing software, paired with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. Rendering videos is a breeze. With 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM and a 1 TB Samsung 970 Evo NVMe SSD, I've got plenty of speed and space. For my display, I use the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q, offering crisp and accurate colors for editing. My peripherals include the Logitech MX Keys keyboard and MX Master 3 mouse for precision, and the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x headphones for clear sound editing. I also added some RGB lighting for that extra touch and keep my desk organized to boost productivity. That's my editing PC setup. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Catch you in the next one and peace out.